Top of the morning to you all. I'm on my second cup of coffee. It's about 7:35 in the morning. Friday. Thank goodness it's Friday, which I don't know why I say thank goodness it's Friday, because I have to work the weekend. But I got up early this morning. My dogs decided to wake me up. I've been up since about 3:30, so I am going to be tired. Got my coffee and one of my favorite cups. Don't mind the little lip marks there. Look at that. Don't be a salty bitch. I love this cup. And right now I am using in my coffee, this is Sweet Cream International Delights. This is absolutely delicious. I love it. I got up early this morning, well, because of the dogs, number one. And number two, today was like a carry-in day in my daughter's class, Spanish class, so she wanted me to make some sangria. So I made her 2 jugs of sangria, and I got some leftover ingredients here. So I'm going to go ahead and, instead of having all these containers in my refrigerator, I am going to go ahead and just make her some sangria for the house. And this is about 4 cups here. So it's very simple and easy to make. I've got this recipe already downloaded on my channel here. So you just have to go to it. It's called Cranberry Orange Sangria Punch or whatever. I already ripped the label off this, but this is the lemonade mix. You know, the powdered lemonade mix. But it's very simple to make. Just go to the recipe. Go to that video and look for it. Look at my funnel. I love my funnel. But you just add that right in there. Put just a little bit more, because it's good. This stuff is really super delicious. I always make this around Christmas as well, and I make an alcohol version of it, and then I make a non-alcohol version of it. And this is just cranberry juice, and this is orange juice, obviously. So I'm trying to just get rid of these containers. I don't want all these containers in my refrigerator. And then you add some club soda as well. So it's the cranberry juice, the Minute Maid orange juice, or any type of orange juice, club soda, and the powdered lemonade mix. You know what? I should have. I'm just going to top this off with that. And I also put slices of lemon, or not lemon, lime and oranges in it, and it makes it really pretty. Go to that recipe and look that up. What I should have done is I should have shook that around before I put the carbonated stuff in it. Just gonna give it a nice little soft shake there. I don't want it to explode, because like I said, it's got the carbonation in it. But I should have mixed it before I put the carbonation in it. So she'll have her own nice little jug of sangria and my little cranberry juice bottle. Look, I got my hair cut. What you think about it? I got like 4 inches cut off of it, and it feels absolutely amazing. It just feels so light and so fluffy, and it needed cut really bad. I had a lot of dead ends on it, and it just feels really super good, and I feel super pretty today. What do you think? My bangs are crispy. Got a lot going on for you this morning. Hi, little baby girl. My little baby kitty is so sweet. Got a lot going on. It's Friday. As you've seen just a little second ago, a couple seconds ago, I was busy making some cranberry orange sangria for my daughter. And today I am going to be cooking all day for you guys. I got a lot of recipes that I'm going to upload again as well. I'm going to do, like I said on that last video vlog that I done, I did not get a chance to do the rigatoni, tomato basil rigatoni, but I'm going to do that for you today. It's like 8:30 in the morning. I'm going to go ahead and do that. It takes a lot of time to film. There's a lot, when you're filming recipe, it's a full-time job doing that. So I try to get them out to you as much as I possibly can, because I love to cook. You guys know my passion is cooking. But you know, if you're doing 2 or 3 recipes, 4 recipes, whatever, it's very time consuming. It does take all day because you got to do all your cut up, your prep, you know, your food prep, whatever. But anyway, oh, I'm going to show you how to make some homemade breadcrumbs for your stuffing. You don't need to buy those bags of stuff that's like $3 and $4 a bag. I'm going to show you how to make some phenomenal breadcrumbs to go in your holiday stuffing. So that's what I've got going on today as far as filming. I was going to make me some breakfast and sit and chat with you for a little bit, but I thought, why make breakfast? Because, you know, I'm going to make the rigatoni. Yeah, I'm done. I'll eat some of that when I get that cooked. And oh, I'm also going to make, I don't know if I've got this uploaded or not yet. If I don't, I got to check that and see if I do. But my pumpkin chocolate chip loaf, I don't think I have that uploaded yet. I got to get that uploaded. I made some the other day and it was amazing. I made that as a recipe video, so you will be getting to see that. I will get that up and running live, whatever. But I'm also going to make a couple loaves of that to take to work for the weekend because I got to work this weekend. I promised my friend Melina that I would bring her some in, so I'm going to make another several batches of that to take in for my work family to enjoy. So that's what I've got going on. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think about my haircut. I feel just so light and airy. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. It needed it. Super bad. Super bad. So right now, I'm getting ready to show you guys how to make on my In the Kitchen with Sandy side, my recipe side of this channel. I'm going to show you how to make some fantastic breadcrumbs for your Thanksgiving festivities, for your delicious dressing, stuffing, whatever you call it. And leave me a comment below. I want to know what you guys call it. Do you call it stuffing? Do you call it dressing? What do you call it? I call it whatever I want to call it. Sometimes dressing, sometimes stuffing. But right now I've just got some bread that I'm just kind of roughly tearing up. Let me show you. I've just got some bread that I'm just, oh, kind of itchy, tearing up in a bowl. And I've got my trusty olive oil that we're going to use. You know, because those breadcrumbs are so expensive. Some of them are like $3 or $4 a bag. And this is only right here about 6 slices of bread. So this will make a lot. You could buy a whole loaf of bread and make enough of the stuffing, you know, breadcrumbs for your stuffing. And it's so delicious. I've made Italian breadcrumbs. I'll have to show you. I've got several different ideas for different types of breadcrumbs. But that's what I'm working on right now. Alright guys, look at that. This is what I just filmed for you guys. This is my creamy tomato basil rigatoni with a light meat sauce, and it is absolutely delicious. So I thought I'd sit down here and have a bowl of it and chit chat with you just for a few minutes so we can end this video. I got other recipes I'm going to be doing as well today, which I already told you about, but you can eat with me. That's so good. The onions are so tender and delicious. The basil is just coming through. I love the flavor of basil, especially in my, oh, did I just spit there? Did I just something just come flying out? That's what happens when something's so delicious. You just kind of salivate. It just kind of goes forward. This is so good. So good. You know what I think I'm going to do? I think I'm going to go ahead and start getting some of my Christmas decorations up. I like to have my house decorated. Let me know in the comments below. Do you like to have your house decorated before Thanksgiving? I do, because, you know, when my guests come over for Thanksgiving, I like my house to be nice and pretty for Christmas. So, that's what this rigatoni is doing to me. So let me know in the comments below if you like to decorate before Christmas, or if you're one of the people who just likes to procrastinate and decorate, you know, the closer it gets to Christmas. That is the only thing about getting a live tree. See, we always get a live tree every year, which I never had one growing up. We always had to drag the one out of the basement, you know, with all the spider webs on it, and blow the dust off of it. But this is so good. But you know, we didn't mind as kids. I mean, we still loved our Christmas tree. A Christmas tree is just something magical about it. But ever since, you know, we've lived out here in the country and I've been with my husband, we've gotten a live tree, and I absolutely love it. Love the smell, how it makes your house smell, and just something so magical about a live Christmas tree. That's how I feel anyway. Gosh, it's so good. I haven't had anything for breakfast, so this is my breakfast. Can't beat that. So, let me know a little bit about your guys' Christmas and Thanksgiving traditions. So, make sure you subscribe to my channel. You know, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And leave me a comment below. A nice comment. Good. Watch me take one more bite. Look. I'm getting full. So you know what? I'll just see you next time. You know I love you. Bye.